noosamining.com.au. He's coming to you once again from the floor of the Noosa Mining Conference. Sitting next to me is the Managing Director of Win Metals, Steve Norregaard. Steve, it's a pleasure to meet you in person. How are you?
Yeah, thank you very much for the opportunity.
Who would want to talk about gold right now in this market? We've got a couple of key projects in WA, one with a scoping study, one that's going to be in production soon. Let's focus on the scoping study for the Butchers Creek project. Hey, give me some key numbers.
Well, we only announced this yesterday morning, so it's hot off the press. We acquired the project just on 12 months ago, paid $5 million for it, and here we are 12 months down the track. We've put a study together that demonstrates we can mine 200,000 ounces of gold, cash cost of $2,500 an ounce. The project itself will throw off $288 million worth of free cash at a gold price of $3,500 US and 65-cent exchange rate. So a wonderful outcome. It really is it's a line in the sand for us. It demonstrates the value proposition we've got there. Moving forward, we've got additional resources up there. We'll be drilling in the new year after the wet season, which will make the project even more compelling. Great outcome. We've also recently acquired another gold project called the Radio Gold Mine in the Eastern Goldfields region of Western Australia. We got on the ground straight away. We've just about to complete a 9,000 metre RC program. We've identified a series of open pit opportunities which will complement the existing underground mine. We acquired this one. Again, very, very attractive consideration. It has a very, very interesting history. It's produced 70,000 ounces at a head grade of 38.5 grams per tonne. Very, very rich, and indeed the results we've had that we publicised only a week ago, we had multiple hits over an ounce a tonne. So very, very exciting. We see that project having the capacity of getting back into production by mid next year. So cross the fingers that the gold price remains high or higher, and then we can have a really exciting time looking forward.
So these are two very clear, compelling opportunities driving the company into production as of next year. What sort of news flow do investors need to keep their eye on so we can measure your success along the way?
Sure. Well, the drill results, we've only released to market 15% of the assays that we've received to date, so there'll be ongoing exploration announcements pertaining to radio, which is very, very exciting. In the new year we'll have a revised resource, put that through a process of feasibility by the end of March, and permitting leading up to a recommencement of that project in mid next year. So that coupled with the fact that we'll be back on the ground up at Butchers Creek March through June of next year, very much focused on getting these projects pushed through feasibility and get ourselves in a position where we can start harnessing this very, very high gold price.
Yeah, and just to wrap up today's conversation, I sort of want to tap into the fact that we don't know the full potential of these projects you're working on yet. Like, yes, obviously there's a favourable gold price, but you haven't, worked out just how big these mineralised systems could be. There's growth ahead, is what I'm hearing.
Definitely. In the case of both projects, there's a real pipeline of opportunity where we can see the size of the current resource growing. And we shouldn't absolve ourselves from the fact that both of these projects have only just come into the portfolio in the last 12 months. So we've achieved a phenomenal amount over a short period of time. And if we can maintain that rate of progress going forward, it's going to be a very, very exciting time for Win and its shareholders.
Certainly, it's a great time to be in gold again as well. Listen, Steve, thank you so much for our chat today, and I definitely look forward to future updates on this one.
Beautiful, thank you.